we are looking at how to pronounce the name of these molecules. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names from science, names of different molecules from chemistry, and so on. So let's have a look what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so you have two different components for this, and it matters obviously for the pronunciation. So how do you say this correctly? Acrylonitrile, acrylonitrile, okay, the first component of the molecule. Butadiene, butadiene is how you say the second one. Butadiene. Styrene is the last one. Okay, so overall, acrylonitrile, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene. One go, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.